That ain't happening.
Side pressure time.
And then you work. Oh, you cheated. Go ahead. Leverage. Go! 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 Nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on. Railroad spike.
Wait, what is happening?
You never seen this before?
Shameful.
Show him how it's done, Chief. The old side pressure. Oh, I thought he was going to try to bring it up, get a little leverage.
That's nice. You got a little bend to it. Good. You should have got a protractor. Yeah, see what I got. It's not even 30 degrees. It doesn't even count. What if I could do it like this?
That'd be impressive. You know, I'm not an expert, but that would be impressive.
I'm on the pad.
I don't think.
I wanted to get over there.
I don't know if we did it last time. I think we just did like we put up sideways and then we just went.
Right here.
I'm just having my intro working.
Where was the spot?
I pushed it down a little further.
Gotta go all the way down. That's the
Well, that's
fun
where I
part.
started it. So I want credit for the workout I did. You know?
Oh boy, we got more.
I tried lefty.
Yeah, anybody.
All right, somebody hold this. Hold my beer.
Don't mind if I do.
That's a good job, huh?
Am I supposed to be on the pad? Yeah.
How the
But I
fuck did
cheated.
you reach it?
I started it on the pad and then I cheated and took my elbow off the pad to get for that.
That's what I was thinking.
You can't lift up that high if you're getting it perfect.
Why does it feel like I have no leverage in this at all?
It's shameful. I think I said that for him too.
Press it.
I don't think it'll help.
I think pulling is more pressure, right?
Guess you're right.
Bigger than yours? I mean,
No, he beat me.
the angle bigger,
He
better,
definitely
better?
beat me.
Alright. Mike, I think you can do this.
I'm good on that right now.
What about Hopler?
With his right arm.
I'll pull Danny with my right arm.
So I gotta beat your ankle?
He already did.
There we go. I can't reach, man.
That's what I'm saying. What's the point?
I gotta be able to reach.
It's tight.
I didn't know we could do
That
that.
hurt my chest.
Twanger.
Alright, I want another try.
I think one of the important things is here. Once you start bending, you don't stop. To get a second chance like you're trying to do is a pretty aggressive plan.
I was failing at it.
Yeah.
You wanna do it?
Yeah, I'll try it. I'll go after Ron.
Not you.
What do you want?
Nick's gonna make a
I'm gonna try it.
toothpick out of it.
That's good. I got something stuck in my teeth.
Bend that son of a bitch!
That was it.
Not having. That's not bad.
You beat him.
You beat everyone heavier than me then.
Not yet. Not yet.
Well, Nick's still.
You're gonna try to get a little more out of it.
You guys putting all the way in? You guys?
Right?
Is there rules?
Mine was all the way in.
I've cheated.
Requirements? I know if there's requirements to be official.
That's a little bit personal.
Personal? Well, it's not personal anymore because now we're all watching.
Time's out. Yeah, I can leave them out.
Look how high.
Oh,
the
yeah,
both of you. You can't put it. That's why it's so much harder.
Have you tried the regular one?
What?
Have you tried the regular nails?
What a regular name.
A little 60 one.
Well, first off, if it's not down all the way, it doesn't count.
Height is important.
Yeah,
So
I
if the
agree.
bend isn't,
You and I were the only two that.
Go, go, go!
Yeah.
He's not slipping.
yeah,
Can you press it?
the bend should be almost in the middle. Because if you lift it up like this, nobody can bend that.
That would be impressive. You see how that second bend just doesn't go? That second bend almost hardens it or something. All right. You fucking show off.
This is when you take it.
It's a big burly guy.
Some pec workout too.
Probably barely bend.
Here, bend it back straight.
yeah.
Yeah, see if you can snap it.
Snap it.
You animal.
I bet we'd do better if we put a little leather strap.
Go! Do what?
If we put like
I got a
a
couple
leather strap on it, just to keep this from digging in. I don't know. I can't help it, man. Under.
Nick, you want this?
Yeah, let's see what happens. Put it up,
Like that?
yeah,
There you go. That'll give you probably more grip.
pussy pad, that's what we'll call
I
it.
got nothing against almost.
Table, whole table.
Now the shoulder blade. Oh, no fucking way. No, it's not gonna go. That second thing is almost like this.
Press my right now.
Whoa!
It actually is
Let off real slow.
Is there a champ here?
Nice.
This is a champ.
This is champ?
Which one got better, left or right?
If it's
think you're
bent,
right.
there's a, what's the name for that disease? Peyronie's disease?
I think so, yeah.
Peyronie's.
Pierogies, ooh, that sounds good, pierogies.
Peyronie's, if it's bent. You know, you got straight ones and you got bent ones.
Bent ones?
Bent, really, bent
Right.
ones are
Interesting.
a disease.
Yeah.
Where are those other?
If it's over a certain amount, I guess, yeah.
This size, much easier.
Yeah, I'll try one. If you have it there.
It's a W for winner.
I don't
No,
know.
you gotta bend it more.
I've
Yeah,
never
that's a,
done
that's a,
You wanna
that's a
try?
shitty
Yeah, can I
W.
try one? Might not work, but
So the nails on this part of your hand, if I got it real tight, then you have to keep it like.
You want the edge, not the bend it. Just
Yeah, it makes a big difference because this one's got a nice little
Yeah.
indent. This one's
Yeah.
still pretty.
And then you kind of push it to it.
You know, I like to keep my hands pretty.
I wish I could stay together, you know, stay tight with.
Yeah, it's that. Just focus on just pull, loose. You know, just focus on dragging. You just
you gotta keep your elbows down nice.
where your hook strength came.
Just bend it,
I mean, just bend it. Fuck.
bend that motherfucker.
Even if you gotta lift it up a little, the elbow.
Metal bender here. That's
There ain't no
Brian,
way
you
you
get
get
this?
near the pad, so you just do what you gotta do from tabletop. So that's what I think.
here we go.
That's good.
He's
You
trying
got
to,
it.
he's trying to pronate it.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Can you do that?
Negative.
I did a.
Here we go.
Did he come?
Okay, keep going.
He come?
Use that fat ass. No! Second bend, you see that?
Yeah.
Come on! Get it, Nick. Oh! Third bend.
Smallest guy.
Judges, always going for a fourth. Almost.
Yeah.
Impressive. Let me see what happens to you. Judges?
Judges.
Nick still got him.
I was worried. I was real worried on that one.
But is something cheating the way at home?
we didn't discuss any rules. I don't
You,
think.
you almost
Just
like.
hold on to it and
Leave
bend
it up to
it.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Just the Chinese cut hair away there.
Exactly.
Is there a difference between like the cut hairs? Do like different cultures have thicker and thinner cut hairs?
Yes.
Yeah.
The Asian women have thick hair. They
Thick
shave.
hair. Oh.
So,
Who has the
both of yours
thinnest?